Are you tired of jumping between platforms to handle Shopify orders and customer inquiries? Well, buckle up, because we've got something special for you. Introducing our Shopify extension for Zoho Desk. Now you can manage all your Shopify orders and track customer interactions right from your Zoho Desk. Stick around as we dive into what our extension can do. In the Tickets module, you can see all the Shopify orders associated with the ticket email. You can search for specific order name. Also, you can search for order status. Click the order. You can see the order details like fulfillment status, financial status, order created date and time. In the Detail tab, you can see ordered product details, number of fulfilled and unfulfilled items, shipping details, payment details. Also, you can view the amount paid by customer. Go to the Customer tab. You can see the Shopify customer details like customer name, mail, phone, billing, and shipping address if exists. Then here is You Order timeline. You can view You Order's every updated information. Also, you can access your order from the timeline if mentioned. Here, our extension has Actions button. Using this action button, you can link the order to ticket and refund your order. Here, I'll explain you how to do this. Click Link to Ticket option. Displays the message like this. This feature allows users to pin the particular order for ticket so you can view the order beforehand whenever you open the ticket. Note that this feature is exclusively available within the Ticket module. Reload the extension, you can view the order as prior. You can go to the All Orders list view using the All Order button. Next, let's see how to initiate the refund process. Click on Refund option. The form will appear to capture your refund details. You can proceed with full refund option. Also, you can make partial refund. Enter the reason or note for the refund process. Then select the amount you want to refund. Note that you can only refund the amount that are mentioned here. Click Submit button. Refund is processing. You can see that. Now amount refunded for the order. You can check this in your Shopify store. Also, you can see the refunded amount in Detail tab. You can do the same process for Customer module in Zoho Desk. In Customer module, you can see all the Shopify orders associated with the customer's email. You can process refunds and view order details, similar to what we see in the Ticket module section.
Thanks for watching.